move now.
I know, but anything else?
Oh my god, I got flea spit. I'm scared. Where you go? Where did you go?
I'm finding the keys.
I lost you.
I know, I'm looking for the keys.
Oh my god. Hi. I don't think he sees me.
Back shots.
What? Back shots.
Don't say that word.
I know.
So why did you say it?
I don't know.
He's in here. He's here. He's here. Do you remember me getting yelled at last night?
Yeah. I was just sitting there playing on my phone until Mom yelled at you. He's coming! He's coming.
I think the key position changed. Oh, no,
Hello.
that's what's it.
Sorry, I had to call you at night. You see, I fired John.
He's
no
coming.
more. My
He's
problem
there.
is that, the time I'm recording
He's
this,
coming!
He's
He
coming
is
for me.
hiding
I'll make him backshot me.
He's gonna go in.
around.
Come on. Come on.
Look for where he hid. Unlock the doors and get everything set up for tomorrow. I'd appreciate that. I think I saw him messing around in
And I
the kitchen.
dragged him out of you.
You know how the animatronics are at night? I'm thinking this is the work of John also. At the second location, a few streets down, the animatronics have been behaving the same way. Good thing he's done here.
I want to see if he can backshot me.
And, listen, one last thing. My office will be unlocked. There's just an unimportant room with some business plans.
He looks so scary in the dark.
Anyways,
I'm not in.
John,
Oh,
here
no.
by the time he's done.
Oh.
So,
Schizo. Is he there?
Yeah.
Oh my god! She's coming for you. I told you she was coming. Okay. The purple guy's is back in his position. Oh my god!
She's camping.
She's scared. Well, I'm in the kitchen.
She's after you.
Shoot.
I'm venting.
Hi, Chucky. What you doing?
What the fuck?
What?
She's in the kitchen.
Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Come in the bathroom.
No.
Why? Be careful. Okay. I'm scared. I think she's still in the kitchen.
John, you don't have to do this. Look, I'm sorry for keeping you here. Now, can you let me go? John, please. No!
That's so scary.
I'm
One.
on you. I'm on you. Dude, I'm actually on you. Okay, 10, 5.
Be careful. Well, I want to get We should. Oh.
Boy! What the hell, boy? Wait, let me record.
Oh, you're recording. I'm scared. Come on, come on.
I'm freaking scared, bro. What the fuck is
Look,
that?
look.
Dude, close
It's a
the
new
door.
update. No,
Open the door.
no, he's gonna come. He's gonna come. He's gonna come. He's gonna come.
Come down with me, I'm scared.
I'm doing fall.
Get over here.
I'm scared. Wait,
Close the door.
he's gonna get us. I think there's a key. I think there's a key.
Dude, come here.
Oh my god!
I don't think the mask is working. I'm trapped in here, and I'm not alone, and I need help.
Where are you? Billy in the basement. Go. Go that way. Go get him.
Come with me. Look how ugly he is. He's slow. What a loser. Dude, he's stupid. He's not even scary. Oh my god, go. We need to lure him out. Lure him out of here. Ah!
No, I was hiding in there until you brought him in there. You didn't tell me.
He got you, bro. He got you.
No, that was actually scary.
Oh shit, we need another code. It's not the same one.
Shoot. I'm hiding in the room. I'm scared.
Get the fuck out of me.
This is so scary. I'm gonna send this to YouTube.
This is so stupid,
Oh, wait, they had security. I'm going. I'm locking myself in the room.
What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know. Oh my god, you scared me. Oh, I just gave you. Stay still, stay still. Why is the light on?
He's freaking. Well, get out of here, boy.
Boy.
He's kind of stupid. Oh shit.
You said he's kind of stupid.
He is stupid.
Don't worry, I'm going in the basement. There's probably a key down there. Don't worry.
There wasn't a.
Whoa. There's a code though.
Help, 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 help. The dog is after me! Oh my god! Dude! Go look upstairs.
I can't.
Look upstairs
I can't really run. Oh wait.
Go upstairs, go upstairs. Go.
No, I'm looking
Look
at
at
this.
them, look at them.
Oh my god, what is that?
They're eating each other, come here.
I can't.
By the way, we might die. Can I go back upstairs?
I might.
Alright.
There's stuff in the cakes.
You can go.
No.
What the fuck?
Oh my god! I can't. You had to kill yourself to get out. You're gonna have to kill yourself. Can't you keep the tapes?
I don't know. You kill yourself.
I can't.
Stuck inside the door.
If I run out, then I'm gonna die.
Exactly, you go. You barely even got out! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I told you. Just kill yourself. I think you can keep the tape.
Is it tape?
I think so.
Did you respawn?
Yeah, you respawn.
I know, bruh. Oh, you should have gone back to the office and then figured it out. And you don't have the key. Oh, I do.
Well, the door's locked. I had to go around it. Shoot.
Go in the bin. Go in the bin.
I can't. Tell me when you're at the door. Oh. You just went through me. Move. What else does I have to go back down there? Move, what do you watch? Go.
You're still watching, huh?
The
I
heck?
knew you'd come looking. They always do. They always send someone to clean up the mess.
Go close it.
I tried to warn him. Told him back in 77. But nobody listened. Guess it's easier to throw the freak in the suit and lock the door.
Okay. There's no code yet.
You're walking the same halls now, breathing the same air. You ever wonder why it's so quiet at night? Why they really lock this place down? I stayed behind.
stop
I'm the last
yapping.
one. And if you're watching this,
Look at him.
so are you. Let's see how long you last.
Blah. There's no code. Oh, I'll type it in the chat. It's 10. You got it? Oh. Hurry before you leave the server.
Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Where is it?
I'm
Turn
typing.
the fan back on. Can you plug that back on?
No. Name is turn on himself. Liam, press the button. I can't. Because I'm scared. Oh my god, he's camping. Yep.
Yeah, go potty now. Go to the potty.
He's camping. I'm going through the vent. It's not letting me out of the vent. Oh shoot. How do you open the vent? They are watching me. I can't want to open. One and one. I said 1 and 1. You said it once.
Why did you not close the door?
I forgot.
Dude, you jump scared me, bro.
Ew. Key. I'm scared.
Dude,
Wait. Whoa. Come on. Go kill yourself so then you can keep the key.
no.
I told you to kill yourself. Come on.
Oh, but he's trapped in there though.
Huh?
He's trapped in there.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy, there's nothing here.
What?
He's mocking him. Where's the purple one? Oh no, I can't see him far. It's over here. Wrong one, no, it's over here. Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared that one's gonna come alive. It's over here.
No, I'm looking at it. When me and Lexa played, when me and Lexa played, she put on a uniform.
How? She probably made Robux for it.
No, she just put it on. Here.
I'm thinking. I'm gonna trap him in there, and you lock the door. Okay, we'll leave you. Mwah. I just kissed him. And I'm a man. You can kiss him next. I'm scared. Open the door. I left the room.
Get that down.
He's standing in the room! You go get it. He's in the room. Am I doing cool? Okay, I got it. And I got it. Where's he at? He's at the door! Lead him out! Thank you. Yeah, distracted on me.
Oh, then go the other way. Look at the boy.
Oh, but I got it.
Okay, I'm not.
But we're good at that.